Hi, this is Daniel for Gearbest. I have the OnePlus 3T to show you today. Now, for those who don't know, OnePlus announced the 3T at the end of this year, surprisingly so for many people. It's pretty much an upgrade to the OnePlus 3 with some key improvements that we're gonna check right now. So this is the box for the OnePlus 3T. Let's try to open it. It's very much in the typical style from OnePlus, white, red, and here we have it. This is the actual phone, the smartphone. From the outside it looks exactly the same as the OnePlus 3. Like you have the same pattern on the back, the same thickness on the sides, the same materials, the aluminum, the metal, the gorgeous screen on the front, 5.5 inch. Let's see what else it's in the box. So if we take the top cover, inside we're gonna find the OnePlus 3 little thank you note here, like a little thank you note from the company. Thank you very much. Then we have the actual cable, the Type-C cable, which allow you to charge the phone with the fast charge technology, which you can charge it really fast. So it's Type-C, as you can see right here. Again, with the same color scheme, red and white, and the actual, the device to plug it for your energy to charge it. So that's for the box. Let's check the actual phone. If you remember, the OnePlus 3 was a phone with 6 GB of RAM, 5.5 inch screen, very like a flagship for 2016. What we have now here, it has a bigger battery with 3400 milliamps battery. Where else it changed? It changed the camera. Before it used to have an 8 megapixel camera in the front. Now it has a 16 megapixel camera in the front for your selfies and whatever. And the same in the back, still 16 megapixel as well. So you have two very powerful, very good cameras both in the front and in the back. Besides that, you still have 6 gigabytes of RAM, which we can see here in the settings. Yeah, as you can see right here, 6 gigabytes of RAM. This particular version right here has 64 gigabytes internal storage, but there's also the model with 128 gigabytes. So that's more than enough for whatever you need to do with your phone. OS, the operative system, is Android 6 with the skin from OnePlus, which is the Oxygen OS, it's fairly functional. I mean, you can always change, you can always download the Google launcher or any other kind that you prefer, but it's pretty functional. It's really good, actually, I think. So it's going to be upgradable to Android 7 very soon, Nougat. So that's very good news for people who want their phones to be future-proof, at least for a while. Other than that, what else can we say about the OnePlus 3T? Well, it has a Snapdragon 821 as well, which is top-of-the-line CPU. Again, the OnePlus 3 had a 820 CPU. So that's quite a considerable improvement for the 3T actually, and it makes it really run smoothly, and any kind of apps you throw at it or games, it's gonna work fantastically. And that's pretty much it. So let's recap. It's a 6 gigabyte RAM phone with a 5.5 inch screen, 3400 milliamps battery, Android 6 out of the box, and it will be upgradable to 7 very soon. 16 megapixel in the front and another 16 megapixel in the back, and that's pretty much it. And the Snapdragon 821 as well CPU, which is what's powering the phone. So it's really a terrific phone with a very competitive price. I mean, you can't, this is one of the best phones you can get on the market right now. And we can show you guys like the phone, how it runs with some games, and we're gonna perform the Entry 2 benchmark as well to show you what's the score. So let's check it out. Okay, so the OnePlus 3T, it's a very, very powerful smartphone, so you might want to enjoy it to play games. And if you do, make sure to check gearbest.com and get some good gamepads, Bluetooth gamepads that you can very easily connect to the OnePlus 3T, and you can just enjoy the games much better with much more precision and just in a much more pleasant way. So that's it. Yeah.